Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. If you guys can hear me and see me well, let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, so that we can get started with this amazing session on matrices and determinants. So are you all ready, everybody? Hello, Ankit. Very good evening. Aditi, welcome. Ajay Reddy, Science Priya, yes, welcome Shakti Priya. Clay Tsunami is here. Aishwarya is here. Akif, nice to see you. Welcome, man. Crack with Gokulnath is also here. Shreyas, yes, I know. I'm sure you would have loved it. Vatsalya Thanos, very good evening, Vatsalya. Nice to have you here. Abhijit, welcome, Abhijit. Sai, very good evening, Sai. Tornado is also here. Great. So, people, just like I promised, I have come up with matrices and determinants part 2. So in the last class, when I taught you guys about matrices, I had to leave a few things out because of time constraint. But today, I am going to discuss everything so that you can be very confident regarding this chapter as far as your JEE Mains is concerned. Okay. Are you all clear? Are you all happy with it? Everybody? Fantastic. Karthi, my health is much better now. I am very excited to be back. And I'm gonna make sure you guys love this portion of matrices and determinants as well. Okay. Fantastic, Akif. So, let's get started, people. Okay, let's get started. But before I get into it, for those who are here for the very first time, let me quickly run through my introduction. So people, if you do not know me, I want to get acquainted with you. I want to help you guys. I want to be your mentor. So let me give you a brief background. So my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the 11th standard and for the 12th standard. So if you are a JEE aspirant, let's say, sir, I want to prepare for engineering entrance, be it BITS Pilani, VIT, SRM, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, KVPY, we will help you prepare for these exams and try to excel in them. Got it? So in this channel, we teach in English and I'm not the only teacher here. You have two more wonderful teachers. You have Shreyas sir for physics and Wazim sir for chemistry. Okay, so if you have time, check out their videos as well. I'm sure you will benefit from it. Okay, so with that, let me tell you what is my background. I did my BTech from IIT. So yes, I wrote advanced, I cleared it, and that's why I studied in IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys, when I was a student, a school-going student, I wrote KVPY and I cleared it. So many of you are interested in KVPY, you want to write KVPY, you want me to help you with that. So don't worry, we will take care of you because we have good experience in this particular domain. Got it? And when I wrote JEE Mains, I was a state topper. In fact, I was state rank 5 in Tamil Nadu and I got an all India rank of 464. So that is my background. After that, I got into teaching because I love talking to students. I love helping them out and that is what brought me here. So in case you want to know me better, you can follow me on Instagram. You get to know what I do apart from just teaching. Got it? So you guys can definitely reach out to me if you have any queries regarding life, regarding anxiety, depression or any problem that you have. You can always reach out to me. I will try to give you some ideas or some suggestions that can help you. Got it? So shall we get started, everybody? Are you all ready? Karthi, no man, of course not. You are done with KVPY. So with that, people, let's begin. The most important slide is over here. If you are new to this channel, if you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe. Okay, we are almost at 50,000. So you guys can definitely help us out, reach that target today by the end of this class. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and share it to your friends and also give a like so that your teachers are motivated. For teachers, that's the only good thing or only appreciation from your side. So do let them know, not only in this video but all videos, whichever teacher you follow, you should let them know that you're enjoying it. Got it? And with that, people, like I always say, everybody, now JEE Mains becomes very important. Do you all know that in 2 days time we will know when JEE Mains will happen? Do you know that? Our education minister is going to make an announcement. So in 2 or 3 days, we will know when is the exam, and we have to work very, very hard for it. Okay? Because after that, the race will begin. So you have to perform very well. So these are some of the results in Vedantu. In case you want to be a part of our crash course, you can check it out. There is a surprise for you. The price of crash course has reduced. So I came to know today only. So I wanted to let you all know so that you're all happy about it. So these are the toppers results from Vedantu. Guys, these are all our own students. Okay. So they have studied with us and they were with us for the long-term program. Even our crash course students have got some great ranks. Okay. But these are our long-term students. Got it? And this is the crash course price, 5,500. The link is there in the description of the video. If you are interested, you can check it out. Otherwise, I will help you on YouTube as always. Okay. So this is just for those who are very serious. Sir, I cannot compromise on my performance. I know YouTube is good, but I still want something more concrete. Then you guys can go for it. And this is English Rohini Maham. Rohini, yes, it will be in English. You can go for it. There is a batch which is starting day after tomorrow. It will be perfect for you. It will complete before your JEE Mains, and you can access everything till the end of JEE Mains. This is all-inclusive price for maths, physics, chemistry along with test series. Okay. Hello Asmi. We have got All India rank 1 from 2050. Yes Asmi, maybe in 2050 year. Okay. You will forever be our favorite student from a child perspective. Okay, so guys, I hope everybody is ready. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat, and we'll get started. Are you all excited? Is everybody here? Ask me. Yes, you are the favorite child of Vedantu. Great. So ninjas are ready. So we'll begin, guys. We'll get started. Today's session is amazing, and exactly from what I stopped, I'm going to continue. Okay. So let's kill it. Let's conquer this topic, and in the comments you can let me know what you want me to teach later. So next week I have already planned. Many of you are asking me permutation, combination, probability. I'm going to do that next week. So if at all you want something more, let me know in the comments. So we listen to you, okay? Because you guys asked, I'm going to do permutation and probability. You know it. You only ask me, okay? So like that, if you have any suggestions, let me know. French, okay, great. I will learn French as me for you. I will learn Sanskrit also. Okay, so let's get started, people. The first one is, what are cofactors and minors? Very, very quick revision. Very, very quick revision. Everybody, please listen carefully. What are cofactors and minors? So let me give you an example. So let's take a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, let's take a 3 cross 3 matrix like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, cofactors and minors are defined for every element. Did you all get it? Cofactors and minors are defined for every element. Okay, are you all clear with it? Everybody knows that. So how do you find minor? Minor of ij. How do you find it? If you want minor of ij, you cover the ith row and jth column. You cover the ith row and jth column. Then find the determinant of the remaining elements. Very simple. People unnecessarily complicate it. People unnecessarily complicate it. What should you do? You should cover the ith row and jth column. Are you all clear? Then whatever elements are left out, those elements you need to take the determinant of it. Okay, so let me give you some examples. Let us all try to find out minor of 1, 3. So minor of 1, 3 means I want the minor of this element. So I will cover the first row and third column. Is that correct? First row and third column. I will close it. Now the remaining elements determinant will give you minor of 1, 3. What is the remaining elements determinant? It is 4 into 8 minus 5 into 7. So it will be equal to minus 3. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you all clear with it? Did you all enjoy it, my dear boys and girls? Hello Kushi. Very good evening Kushi. Nice to see you here. Sai Mukesh. Welcome man. Very good Pramesh. Science Priya. Raji Reddy. Fantastic. Very good. Yes Kiran. You can find minor for any matrix and minor is defined for element. Minor is defined element wise. It is not for the entire matrix. It is for element wise. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Fantastic. So I hope you are all fine with this. Now people, let me go forward to cofactor. So cofactor of ij is also element wise defined. So you can define cofactor for every element. You can define cofactor for every element. Are you all clear with it? So functions, yes man, my voice is gone. I don't know. It's been like that for 1.5 weeks. I don't think it's coming back. So we have to adjust with this. Okay. So now, guys, Cij is equal to what? It is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j mij. Is that okay? So if I want to find C13, how will I find it? It is nothing but minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 minor of 1, 3. So if you want to find cofactor, you need to know what is the minor. Are you all clear? Everybody? So this is going to be minus 1 power 4 is 1. So 1 into minor of 1, 3 is equal to minus 3. So are you all clear with it? Everybody? Hello Kushi. Kushi, I'm doing good. Yes. Shakti, yes man, absolutely. I've been doing that Shakti. I don't know why. Because I have continuous classes, right? So I need to give it some rest. Only then I think it will be alright. But very difficult to get rest these days. Because JEE Mains is round the corner, right? So that is the reason. So people, are you all happy with it? Please make a note of it. If you have any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we will keep moving forward. Yes. Abhijit, yes Abhijit. I am teaching trigonometry for 11th standard next week. For 11th standard. So if you are interested to learn the basics, you can come and be a part of my class. Okay, great. Perfect. So with that, let's move forward. These are all basic stuff, not very important. The reason I explained it is because I wanted to make this portion easy. This is what is important for your JEE Mains. What is this? Adjoint of a square matrix. Very, very important topic. So what is adjoint of a square matrix? Adjoint of a square matrix is nothing but, it is denoted by adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but the transpose of cofactor matrix of A. The transpose of cofactor matrix of A. That means I can find the cofactor of all the elements of A. So if I transpose that, that is what I call as adjoint of A. Are you all clear? If you know that, that is enough. If you know that, that is enough for now. Okay, I will show you problems and I'll teach you how to solve it. Okay. Hello Shweta, welcome. Yes Tarun, this is the right time man. You have only 1.5 months left out. And the price of the crash course is also at the lowest. I don't think it will reduce beyond this. Okay. So it is just 5,500 Tarun. You can check it out. The crash course will be available to you until JEE Mains gets over. Until JEE Mains gets over. Till September, October, November, whenever that is. If again something like lockdown comes and if JEE Mains is postponed, we will take care of you until the end of it. You will have all the recordings, all the test series, all the assignments live and accessible. That's a promise from Vedantu's side. We will never remove access for you. No, we are not that bad. We are not cruel. Got it? Very good. So people, are you all clear? Perfect. So shall I move forward? Yes. Hello Triambak. Welcome man. So people, let's go to questions. Fatafat. But please tell me if these things are clear to you. Are you all aware of these formulas? These are all 12th standard stuff, right? So I just wanted to recap it. This is not a complete revision session. It is a rank booster series where I revise stuff, where I revise stuff for you. Okay? Are you all clear? Perfect, perfect. Joker for 2022 you cannot buy now because by the end of JEE Mains, the course accessibility will get over. So it will not be a good investment for you. So for you 2022 batch, I would say wait for the next crash course, or else you can purchase pro subscription. Okay? Or else you can go for the pro subscription. Got it? Are you all clear? So now this is the most important relation regarding adjoint. What is the relation? A into adjoint of A. If I multiply, I will get det of A into I. And that is equal to adjoint of A into A. So adjoint of A into A is also equal to det of A into I. Are you all clear with it? Then the next thing is you need to know what is determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. What is n? N is the order of matrix A. Order of square matrix A. A is obviously a square matrix. Whatever matrix we are talking about, all of them are square matrices. Otherwise, there's no point talking about cofactor, talking about minor, talking about adjoint. No meaning to it. So whatever I'm talking about, A is a square matrix. So n is what? N is the order of the matrix A. Are you all cool with it? Did you all like it? Everybody clear? Hello Varshini. Hello Siva. Raji Reddy. Which schedule are you asking about? Raju Boluboina. Welcome man. ABCD. Welcome. I'm so happy you guys are all following it. Sairam. Perfect. So now the next one. Adjoint of AB. So that also follows reversal law. I taught you about reversal law in the last class, right? What is reversal law? Adjoint of AB, if I try to open it by using properties, I will get it to be adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Very important. Adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So this is called as reversal law. It is applicable for transpose. It is applicable for inverse. Lot of places you see this employed. Are you all clear with it? Very good. Very good. Brilliant, brilliant. Kushi, I'm so glad you guys are all enjoying it. Brilliant. Very good. Hello Mohit, welcome man. Perfect. So now the next one is the property of adjoint of A transpose. So guys, adjoint of A transpose, you can write it as adjoint of A the whole transpose. And one more beautiful formula I want to give you here, an extra formula. Adjoint of A inverse can be written as adjoint of A the whole inverse. So this is also another beautiful formula. You can make a note of it. Okay, Aditya, these are all rank booster series, man. No proofs, only results which can help you. You have JEE Mains in 1 month. You cannot worry about proving it and deriving it. That is pointless. Okay, rather I will teach you the concept. I'll give you the formula. I will show you how to apply it. That is what everybody wants. Okay, every 2021 aspirant wants the formula, concept and show me how to apply it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what you guys want. Clear? So please, everybody note it down quickly. Let's go to questions. I don't want to bore you guys. So please make sure you're copying it down fatafat. So last one, adjoint of A. Very important. Many people don't know this and you cannot derive this in exam unless you are very good in this chapter. It is not easy to derive this, my dear boys and girls. So please make a note of it. It is not easy to derive this in an exam. In the exam pressure, you cannot derive this. Rather, take it as a formula. Write it in your formula note. That is the beauty of attending these sessions. That is the beauty of crash course. All these good formulas and pointers will be taught to you. You don't have to derive it. You don't have to do anything. Are you all clear? Fantastic. So, shall we move forward? Are you all happy with it? Boys and girls? Yup. Fantastic. So, I'll give you one more formula. I want to give a lot of cool stuff to you today. So, please make a note of it. I don't know whether you guys are aware of this formula, but make a note of it. It is nothing but det of A to the power n minus 1 square. Beautiful. Beautiful formula. What is n? N is the order of matrix A. What is n? N is the order of A. Clear? So please try to write it down and then we will move forward. Got it? Very good, very good. Very good, Pramesh. Fantastic. Very good, Pandu. I'm so happy you guys are all able to get it. So Triambak, if you got 95.5, that is a great percentile. First of all, congrats. If you want to improve it, I would say work on your mistakes. Whatever mistakes you made, try to check it. Where are you losing marks? And improve on those areas. Check your February and March attempt and work on those areas. That's how you improve. That's how you get better. Write more test series. Got it? So all of you, shall I move forward? Yes? Great, 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 great. So people, let's keep moving forward. Kiran Dinesh, don't worry man, in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, they don't ask you questions like that. That is only NCERT. In JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, I will show you what kind of questions will come. Here we go. The first question after this particular slide. Okay. Good save there. So people, let me complete inverse also along with adjoint, because inverse and adjoint are very closely related. They are like brothers and sisters. Okay, so let me complete inverse also and then I will take you to questions, and Kiran, I will show you what kind of questions come in JEE Mains that you should be able to understand. If you have a problem there, I will help you with it. Got it? And Selvam Manikandan, tomorrow I am taking a session on motivation. How to stay motivated, how to beat laziness and lethargy. I'm going to take a session on that tomorrow and I think it might benefit you because I'm going to share my own experiences. I also used to feel lazy, but you see in classes I'm always energetic. Okay, so I'm going to take a session tomorrow. Please come and be a part of it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Okay, so what is inverse? Let's understand what is inverse. So if you have a matrix A, square matrix, and if you multiply B to it, and if you get the product to be identity matrix, and that identity is also equal to the product of B into A. See, AB and BA are not the same. But if the product comes out to be the same, and that is equal to I, then A and B are said to be inverse of each other. A and B matrices are said to be inverse of each other. Okay, so something like this. In real numbers, 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1, and 1 by 2 into 2 is also 1. So 2 and 1 by 2 are said to be multiplicative inverse of each other. Are you all aware of it? Just like that. So this is real numbers. Everybody can understand very easily. But here we have matrices. So you can try to correlate and try to understand it. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Devan Verma. Yes, Devan. Tell me what is your doubt. Hello, Saidulu. Very good evening. Okay. Fantastic. So with that, let's see what are the properties of inverse. First thing I want you to know is A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A by determinant of A. So this is how you find the inverse of a matrix. Usually, directly they won't ask you to find inverse, but they'll give you very beautiful questions, which I'm going to show you in a short while. Okay, so this is the first thing which you have to know. What is A inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A matrix divided by determinant of A. Clear? Direct formula. Copy it down and understand it. Now let's move forward. The next property you should know is what is determinant of A inverse? Determinant of A inverse is just 1 by determinant of A. That's it. So this is the second formula which is very important. Second formula very important. First formula very important. Did you guys make a note of it? If you guys are clear with this, then we can move forward. We can go and solve questions. Are you all ready? So Devan Verma, determinant of A is a value. I think you are from 11th standard or maybe you are entering into 12th. So you can watch my Pathfinder video. So Devan Verma, just type Pathfinder, Shimon sir, matrices, determinants and watch all those videos. You will understand it. This class is for 12th standard Devan. So I will not be able to explain what is determinant right now. Okay. You can check out that video. You will be able to follow it. Okay, great. So with that, people, let's get going. Let's solve a question now. It's been long time since we solved questions. Everybody, please try to solve it. Hello, Prathamesh. Welcome, man. So Prathamesh, this video is for 12th standard students who are writing JEE Mains this year. But everybody is welcome in my class. It's your wish. If you like it, you can stay and you can watch it. I would be more than happy. But if you're not able to follow, don't worry. It is just that you are young for this class. That's it. Okay? Kunwar, I will come up with a BitSat strategy video. I'm going to make a BitSat strategy video. We will help you with it. Please wait for it, Kunwar. Okay? Very good. Devan Verma, Samradhi Rathor. Very good. You guys are correct. Heshwita, Ankit Raj. Fantastic. You are all awesome, my dear children. You are all awesome. Vimala Devi, Heshwita, Sindhu, Devan Verma, Raji Reddy, Avanish. Crack with Gokulnath. Very good crack with Gokulnath. Tushar, Aditi, Science Priya. Sunita. Very good. Anubhav Das. Very good, Anubhav. Okay. Great, great, great. So, Selva Manikantan, you can write previous year's papers, man. That is the best resource. Okay. If you need something more, Vedantu, we have test series. Vedantu, we have crash course where we give you PDF of assignments, which are very good for JEE Mains. But it is your wish. If you want to really improve your score, you can check it out. Otherwise, previous year's questions are good enough. Okay. Cool. So let's move forward. AC Musicals, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. So guys, when you open it, what will happen? When you open this product, is it a square minus b square? If you say a square minus b square, I'll give you 0. I will give you anda parcel. I will give you anda parcel. Okay. So please don't tell me 0. Guys, this is not a square minus b square. It is not real numbers. It is not real numbers, my dear boys and girls. It is matrices. So how do you open it? You open it as a into a square, a into b, ab. Now b into a is not ab, it is ba. Then b into minus b square is equal to a square minus b square. So what will I get? A square cancel, minus b square cancel. So I will get ab is equal to ba. So that means what? That means it is commutative. That means the matrices are commutative. Are you all clear with it? That's the first assumption. That's the first conclusion I can make. Are you guys able to understand? Very good, very good. Fantastic, Devan. I'm so happy you are enjoying Vedantu. Great. Saujanya, no problem, Saujanya. You can check it out. I don't know why you missed it. Were you not notified? But anyway, no problem. I'm glad you made it here. We will try to have a great time. So guys, AB equal to BA. So can I say AB is equal to BA into A inverse whole square. Now, what is A into A inverse? A into A inverse, I just taught you, is equal to I. Isn't that right? Any matrix multiplied by its inverse will be equal to identity. So A into A inverse is equal to I. So A into A inverse will become I. So I'll get B into I. What is the multiplication of B into I? Any matrix into identity matrix will be the same matrix. So B into I will be equal to B. So the answer is B square, which is option A. This is how typically JEE Mains questions are. This is how typically JEE Mains questions are. Are you guys able to follow? Are you guys able to follow? Everybody? Did you all enjoy it? Did you all like it? Very good, very good. So with that, people, let us move forward. We will try to slowly cover other things as well. Fantastic. So now, moving on, let's try to solve one more question. Everybody cool with this? Like always, I have attached my solutions. You guys can go through it and let me know if you have any doubt. I will help you out and I will try to clarify your doubts. Okay, you can message me on Instagram. If you message me on Instagram, I'm quite active over there. I will help you with any question that you have. Okay, fantastic, Nandini. That is awesome. Okay, so people, it seems we have reached 50k subs. That is awesome. I can't believe it has happened during the class. Okay, we are still at 49.9. We will reach by the end of today's class, I guess. I am hoping so. You guys can make it happen. Okay, great. Thank you, Dhanush. Pramesh says C. Okay. What about others? Come on, people. Everybody try to answer it. I am creative. This is for 12th standard. Okay, this is for 12th standard. Karishma, yes, we will send virtual chocolates to everybody. So, a virtual chocolate to all of you guys. You will get it. Don't worry. We have a special session, not tomorrow. So, that is the surprise. How to stay motivated. Okay, so Devan Verma is right. Purnima Behra, very good. Prapti, Science Priya, Kunwar, Karishma, Aditi, Shreyas, and who else is there? Sai, Raju, Clay Tsunami, very good. Kiran, very good Kiran. Hello Arun, welcome Arun, nice to see you. Great. Heshwita, fantastic Heshwita. You have given the answer as well. Yes, Talabadi Giri. Siddharth, very good Siddharth. Sunita, fantastic. Shweta, no Shweta. I think it is C. Hari is correct. Very good. So let's solve it. Everybody listen carefully. So if A is a square matrix of order 3, A is a square matrix of order 3 such that det of A is equal to 2. Now we know that, guys, do you all know this property? That's why I told properties are important. You cannot derive it in the exam. Deriving it in the exam is going to take time. It will put a lot of pressure on your head. Okay, so let me show you an easy way of doing it. I told you A inverse can be written as adjoint of A the whole inverse. Did I show you this property or not? Did I show you this property or not? Yes or no? Very good, very good. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic, fantastic. So now we want A inverse, adjoint of A inverse, the whole inverse. So we want whole inverse of it. Now inverse of inverse will become the same adjoint of A, Laddu. So basically what they're asking is, they are basically asking determinant of adjoint of A. Such a simple question, it is disguised as a tough one. That's it. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Very good. Yes, Rinku, I do teach calculus as well. You can check out the videos in this channel. So people, are you all clear with it? So now what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is det of A to the power n minus 1. So what is n? N is nothing but 3. Isn't that correct? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. So now this is going to be equal to det of A is nothing but 2. So it is going to be 2 to the power. 3 is nothing but the value of n. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 to the power 2, my dear students, is equal to 4. So that is how you solve it. I hope you're all clear with it. Are you all clear, guys? Did you all like it? Yes. I hope you guys are all enjoying it. In case you have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, we can move forward. Yes. Boys and girls, are you all having fun? Let me know in the chat quickly. Fantastic. Let's move on. Karishma says clear. Devan, yes Devan. Fantastic, Jeremy. Yes, Jeremy. I am very excited because this is such a important topic and I want to make sure you guys are happy with it. Okay. Yes, Elks Gallery. I told you already. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 of Tattva is enough. Very good, Prapti. Fantastic. Very good. Many of you are saying crystal clear. That is awesome. So with that, let's get going to the next one, people. So here we go. The next question for all of you, right on your screen. Guys, this is a good question. This is a good question. You need to think and solve it. Okay? So don't be fast, you will go wrong. When will be the Menti quiz? Hari, today I had a Menti quiz. Okay? You could have checked it out. But anyway, I'll conduct more sessions, man. Don't worry. I will plan a lot of Menti quizzes so that all of you guys can participate and be happy with great sessions. Okay? Fantastic. Yes, Clay Tsunami, no problem. Story Dreams channel is saying A. Devan is telling B. Very good, Devan Verma. Fantastic. Story Dreams again says B. Okay. ABCD says B. Who is correct? Who is correct? Ojas. Very good, Ojas. That's amazing. That's absolutely right, Ojas. Prapti is correct. Srilata, Karishma, Raji, Sindhu, Sujal, Shakti, Tilak. Very good, Tilak. Fantastic. Okay. Great, great, great. John Praneeth Kumar. Very good, John. Great. Rakesh, Aditi, Ankit, Vishnu. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Okay. So Ojas, BitSat for some people they are saying July 17th. Okay. So before that I will help you with the strategy for BitSat. Don't worry. So let's try to solve it. Are you guys ready? Let's try to conquer it together. So first of all, can I write this as det of A inverse into det of adjoint of B inverse? And then can I write it as det of adjoint of 2A inverse? Are you all okay with it? Everybody? So can I say this is 1 by det A into, can I say this is 1, can I say it is determinant of B inverse whole to the power? They're all 3 cross 3 matrices. They're all 3 cross 3 matrices. So adjoint of B inverse is det of B inverse to the power n minus 1, which is 3 minus 1 into, this will be what? Adjoint of 2A, which will be det of 2A inverse raised to the power again 3 cross 3, so it will be 3 minus 1. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Yes? Fantastic, fantastic. So now this will be what? This will be 1 by det of A is minus 2 into, this will be what? Det of 1 by det of B whole square into, this will be what? If 2 comes outside, it will be 2 cube, because my dear students, if you have det of 2A inverse, it's equal to 8 times det of A inverse. Are you all clear about this? Do you all know this? Because A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. If A is 3 cross 3, then A inverse will also be 3 cross 3. Are you all aware of this? Very important. This is a very important step. Let me know in the chat with a fire symbol. With a fire symbol, please let me know in the chat if you guys have understood it. I want you to tell me. This is a very important property. Very, very important. Got it? So now 2A inverse determinant, I can write it as 8. I can write it as 8A inverse determinant. The whole square. So I can write it as 64 by det of A whole square. That's it. Now plug in the values and get the answer. So it is minus 1 by 2 into 1 by det of B is 2. So it will be 2 square into 64 by minus 2 square. So what is the answer? The answer will be 64 divided by minus 2 into 4 into 4. So the answer is minus 2, which is option B. Did you all enjoy it? Are you all clear with it? Hi, hello. Yes, tell me. What is the doubt? I will explain it again. Don't worry. This was a good question. Yes. I will repeat it again. But tell me what is your doubt. I want you to tell me where is your doubt so that I can help you exactly there. Okay. BitSat will be online. It is a computer-based exam, but it is from your house or it is at a center. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it. I'll have to check it and only tell you. Okay, I will try to keep a strategy video where I explain all of it. Please wait for it. Got it? Are you all clear with it? So guys, let me repeat it. So when you have a determinant of many matrices, if they're all of the same order, you can split it like this. Okay, if they're all of the same order, you can write it like this. Okay, so that is the first step. Hello, are you guys able to listen? Everybody? Mohit, I will explain it. Mohit, please listen carefully. Okay. Hello, Anshika. Welcome, Anshika. Nice to see you here. So now, det of A inverse is 1 by det of A. Very easy. That I'm sure everybody got it. Similarly, det of adjoint of B inverse is nothing but, whenever you have adjoint of something, it is nothing but determinant of that matrix raised to the power n minus 1. Now, n is 3 for everything. So, n minus 1 is 3 minus 1. That matrix is B inverse. So det of B inverse is what? 1 by det B. So 1 by det b, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 by det b square. That is what I have written here. So second part also got it. Now the last part is the tricky part. This is where many people can have problem. So that is what I'm going to explain. Hari, Mohit, hi, hello. Everybody listen carefully. Okay. Hello Jayant, welcome. So everybody please listen carefully. And Manoj Krishna, I will take this session up to 10 o'clock. Okay. So please listen carefully. I will explain the last part alone because I think only there people have trouble. Everything else, you guys are smart. I know you are capable of understanding. I know that. Okay. So now I will break it down step by step so that everybody can enjoy the class. Okay. So that everybody can enjoy the class. Come on people. Let's try to have a look at it. What do we have? Adjoint of 2a inverse. Got it? So now that is equal to det of 2a inverse whole raised to the power n minus 1. Because if you have adjoint of any matrix, so let's say you have adjoint of C. What is det of adjoint of C? It is nothing but det of C to the power n minus 1. So that is exactly what I have done. Now n is nothing but 3. Why n is 3? Because A inverse will also be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So n will be 3. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? I have explained first step. Hello Advesh. Hello Shabna. Welcome guys. So glad to see you all. Hello Antara. Nice to see you here. Welcome. Sai Charan. Welcome Sai Charan. Great. So people, after this, here comes the beautiful step. Please listen carefully guys. Everybody. Please listen carefully. Okay. So now 2a inverse det whole square. Now people, if you have 2a inverse, whenever you have a constant inside a determinant, if you want to bring the constant out, it will come out as 2 to the power n determinant of a inverse. Do you all know that? So that is a property of matrix. When you apply determinant on a matrix and if you have a constant multiplied to it, if you want to bring the constant outside the determinant, you need to use this. What is n? N is nothing but, what is n? N is nothing but the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix is what? 3 cross 3. So it will be 2 power 3. So that is why, my dear, it will be 8 times determinant of A inverse. So this value is 8 times determinant of A inverse. And then I square it. So if I square that, it will become 64 times determinant of A inverse whole square. So A inverse determinant is what? A inverse determinant is 1 by determinant of A whole square. So that you guys can solve. That is exactly what I did. Are you all clear with it? Very good Kushi. Very good Anu Kirtana. Fantastic. Very good Sindhu, Jayant, Rakesh. You guys are awesome. Hi, hello. I hope you got it now. Yes, Hari, BITSAT is a very good exam. BITS Pilani is a very renowned institute. So you can definitely try to write it. Okay. So shall I move forward, everybody? So let's keep going, people. Let's go to the next one. Okay. So people, like many of you have already been asking. So Vedantu has the crash course. In case you are interested, you can check it out. And the crash course has reduced in price. It was previously 6,000, but now it is 5,500. Yes, Arun, Wasim sir started NEET batch, not JEE batch. Wasim sir is not taking JEE in Pro. I think he's taking NEET batch, and it started on May 23rd. Okay, so Arun, I hope I answered your question. Clear? Fantastic. Hello Manan, welcome Manan, nice to see you. So people, these are all the features in Vedantu. In case you join the crash course, we will have classes, we will give you material, the famous Tattva material, which was used by toppers of advance. You have doubt solving, you have 20 test series, 10 part test and 10 full test. So all that is provided in the crash course starting day after tomorrow. So if you are a 2021 aspirant, if you want to really improve your score, if you are really serious about it, you can check out the link which I sent you in the chat. Okay, you can check it out, you can join it and make use of it. Okay, so let's get going, people. Now, sure shot 4 marks. Sure shot 4 marks. I'm going to help you guys with that. Please listen carefully. Manan, this is not the place to ask that, Manan. I will ask you separately, not here. So this session is for 2021 batch. So if you have any doubt in what I'm teaching, please ask me. Otherwise, ask me in Telegram or ask me in Instagram. Okay. So in YouTube, your 2021 batch is a very serious batch. Okay. So you guys have exam just 1 month later. So I want you to be very serious and I will help you. Got it? So with that, people, let's get started. What do we have here? We have solution of system of equations. Okay, so we'll have solution of system of equation. Very good, Gokulnath, that's fantastic. Yes, in crash course you get Tattva as assignment, Pramesh. You are right. Okay, guys, this is a very important topic. I hope you guys settle down. Everybody, cool down, cool down. I want everybody to cool down and listen to me patiently because this is important. Okay, you can get 4 marks for sure. If you think it is not correct, then please check out the previous year's papers. Got it? So now let's try to listen to this carefully. So when you have a 3x3 system now, guys, okay, so this is called as a 3 variable system. Whenever you have 3 variables, my dear boys and girls, you need to have 3 equations to solve it. Are you all clear? Whenever you have 3 variables, you need to have 3 equations to solve it. So that is what I have over here. Are you all clear? Okay. Now this system of linear equation is called as a non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Did you all get it? Why is it called non-homogeneous? It is called non-homogeneous, my dear boys and girls, because your right side is not 0. Your right side has different constants. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So you call it a non-homogeneous system because your right side is not 0. Very good, Pramesh. You are right. Amazing. So now, how do you solve this? What do we mean by solution of system of linear equation? Now, do you all agree, whenever you have a linear equation in 3 variable, it will represent a plane? Did you study in 3-dimensional geometry? Whenever you have a linear equation in 3 variables, that will represent a plane. So what I have here, my dear boys and girls, is basically 3 plane equations. I basically have 3 plane equations. And since the right side is not 0, they do not pass through origin. So all the 3 planes are not passing through the origin. Are you all clear? If the right side is not all 0. Clear? Everybody cool with it? Now, if you have 3 planes, how can they interact in space? Planes are always in space, right? So how do they interact in space? They can have 3 planes like this. So if you have 3 planes like this, will they have a solution? No, you will have no solution. Why no solution? No solution because solution means what? Solution means it should satisfy the 3 equations. It should satisfy the 3 planes. That means it should be a common point of intersection of the 3 planes. It should be the common point of intersection of the 3 planes. Jagadish, welcome Jagadish. Nice to see you here. Very good, Kavya. You're right, Kavya. So when you have these kind of setup, the first one, they are not having any common point of intersection, therefore no solution. Here you have infinitely many solution. Why infinitely many solution? Because they are meeting along a line. So every point on the line is a solution. Here again I have no solution. How, sir? They are meeting? No, sir. They are meeting. But are all 3 of them meeting together? No. No. All 3 of them are not meeting together. So here also no solution. Here also no solution. And here you have 1 solution. So when you have 3 planes, when you have a system of linear equation in 3 variables, there are 3 possibilities. You can have 1 solution, you can have no solution, or you can have infinitely many solution. These are the three cases which I'm going to teach you right now. This is what I'll be teaching you. This is what they'll be asking you questions from. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Okay. Hello, Dylan Matthias. Welcome, man. Fantastic. So Nitish Kumar, tomorrow I'm taking a video on that. I'm taking a session on that. Please make sure you attend it. Okay. Very good, Rupa. Fantastic. So people, everybody listen carefully. This is very important. I want you to make sure you don't miss out on this. Hello, Ayush. Welcome. So now you know the background. Whenever you have three planes which are nothing but system of non-homogeneous equations, then we need to find out when they will have no solution, when they will have one solution, when they will have infinitely many solutions. That is what I'm going to teach you. Very frequently it is asked in JEE Mains. Okay. Fourth figure is meeting. Fourth figure, but who is that? Manoj Krishna. All the three are not meeting, right? So if you see here, two planes are meeting. Here also two planes are meeting. But all the three planes, they are not meeting anywhere. So no solution. Are you all clear? So crack with Gokulnath. Kramer's rule is over here. I am just giving you the result right now so that you can directly use it in questions. So please listen carefully. You need to know this. Guys, everybody, please pay attention, because the next 10 minutes, if you listen to me, you might end up getting 4 marks. So please be very serious, at least for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. After that, I will look at the chat, because if I look at the chat, I will get distracted and people keep asking different things. Okay, so please listen carefully. This is quite important. So when I want to use Kramer's rule, there are 4 quantities which I need to find out. What are they? Delta, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. I will teach you how to find out these 4 quantities. Please listen to me very carefully. Okay. So now what is delta? Delta is nothing but the coefficient determinant. It is nothing but the coefficient determinant. So what is the coefficient? The coefficient of x is a1, y is b1, z is c1. So the first row will be a1, b1, c1. Because this determinant delta, which I wrote over here, delta, is nothing but the coefficient determinant. So first row, I wrote the first equation coefficient. The second row will be second equation's coefficients. And the third row will be the third equation's coefficients. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? Fantastic. Brilliant. So now I know what is delta. Everybody cool with delta? Everybody can find out delta now? Now I will teach you very easy way by which you can find out delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. I will teach you a very easy way in which you can find out delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Please listen carefully. What is delta 1? Delta 1, what I do is, listen very carefully, I'm going to do a technique here. The first column of delta, listen, first column. What is first column? First column means this particular 3 elements. The first column of delta, I will replace with D1, D2, D3. I will remove the first column of delta and I will replace with D1, D2, D3. Now that is called as delta 1. That's it. As simple as that. Did you all like it? As simple as that. Hello Dinesh, welcome Dinesh, nice to see you. Uttam, welcome Uttam, nice to see you as well. Hello Sanjeev, welcome. Ravi Teja, welcome. Sonu, great. Did you all like it? Very interesting. Now, Uttam, delta I have given you here. It is the coefficient determinant. Just pull the video back, you will understand it. I explained it detailedly. Okay, brilliant guys. Now, again let's go back to delta. Okay, let's go back to delta. What is delta? Delta is nothing but you have what? You have A1, A2, A3. So this is your delta, right? This is your delta. So Uttam, delta is nothing but the coefficient determinant. Okay, the coefficient determinant. I wrote the coefficient of first equation, second equation, third equation. Coefficients of what? Coefficients of the variables. Okay, now if I want delta 2, same procedure. Delta 2, if you want to find, the second column, I will remove it and I will replace by D1, D2 and D3. The second column, I will remove it and I will replace by D1, D2 and D3. That's it. So that is delta 2. Very easy. That's it. Very simple. So now you guys can find out delta 3 on yourself. You can do delta 3 by yourself. I'm sure everybody can easily figure it out. Very good. How do you find delta 3? So delta 3, if you want to find out, again, let me write delta first. So let me write delta again. Delta is equal to what? B1, B2, B3. So if you want to find delta 3, what you need to do is, if you want to find delta 3, the third column, you remove it and replace it with D1, D2, D3. So the third column, I will remove it and I will replace with D1, D2, D3. So that is my delta 3. Are you all clear? Did you all like it, my dear boys and girls? Everybody? Yes, Sairam. This is the last session for matrices and determinants. Did you all like it? Fantastic, guys. You are all awesome. Now, there are only 3 conditions. Very simple. I'll give it to you in 3 lines. Please remember it and use it. Okay. There are 3 cases: unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solution. Okay. Now, whenever you have a solution, it is called as a consistent system. So when do you call it consistent? You call a system of linear equation to be consistent whenever it has a solution. Whether it has unique solution or infinity solution, I don't care. Consistent means solution should be there. Consistent means solution should be there. Unique solution is consistent. Infinite solution is consistent. No solution, inconsistent. No solution is called as inconsistent system. Why? Because no solution means no solution exists. Therefore, it is not consistent. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Everybody cool? So now, what is the condition for unique solution? For unique solution, only one condition. Delta should not be 0. For no solution, delta should be 0. And any one or more of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 should not be 0. Infinite solution means delta should be 0 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, all of them should be 0. That's it. You write this condition, just this rectangular box. Just this rectangular box can get you 4 marks. You might be thinking that I'm simply saying it, but guys, those who wrote JEE Main sincerely know what I'm talking about. This red color box might give you 4 marks. I'm not even kidding. Okay? So please make a note of it. Rakesh, yes Rakesh, you can say that. That is for 2 variables, Rakesh. Rakesh, whatever you are saying is a 2 variable system, Rakesh. Okay, so please think about it and then tell me. Very good. So shall I move forward? So that is how we find it out. And if delta is not 0, so I told you, if delta is not 0, you have unique solution, right? If delta is not 0, you have unique solution. Got it? If delta is not 0, you have unique solution. Then you can ask a question, sir, what is that unique solution? So that is given by this formula. X is equal to this, Y equal to this, Z equal to this. So what is X? The variable X is equal to delta 1 by delta, variable y is equal to delta 2 by delta, and variable z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Okay, so that is how you find x, y and z. I hope you guys are clear. How do you find x, y and z? If there is a unique solution. If there's a unique solution means what? Delta should not be 0. If delta is not 0, this is how you find the value of the variables. Are you all cool with it? No Rajaram, VIP is not applicable in crash course. Only for 2 years and 1 year. Okay, very good. So shall we move forward? Yes, Heshwita. Heshwita, whenever you have a solution, Heshwita, it is called as a consistent system. Whenever you have a solution. Okay, so if you have unique solution or if you have infinitely many solution, it is consistent system. Okay, inconsistent means no solution. Got it? So with that, people, let's try to solve one question. Everybody, please make a note of this. This is exactly what I explained to you right now. Just take a photo of it, and with that we will move forward. Okay, just take a photo of it, and with that we will move forward. Okay, all of you please do it fast, guys. I want you to do it quickly so that we can move ahead and try to solve some amazing questions quickly. So Tornado, I just explained it, man. These are all just formulas, Tornado. There is nothing to explain much. I told you how to find delta. I told you how to find out delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Okay, so Tornado, in case 2, you have no solution. Okay, so case 2 is no solution, Tornado. So for no solution, the primary condition is delta should be 0. That's the first condition. But that is alone not enough, Tornado, because when delta is equal to 0, there can be two possibilities. You can have no solution, or you can have infinitely many solutions also. Or you can have infinitely many solutions also. So you need one more condition. What is that secondary condition? The second condition is any one of, you have delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, right? You can find it. From the given question, you will be able to find out delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Got it? So when you find out if any one of them is non-zero, any one, sir, delta 1, delta 2 came out to be 0, sir, but delta 3 is some other value. If any one of them is non-zero, then it is no solution. Any one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 should be non-zero. Non-zero means what? Should not be 0. Okay, should be non-zero. If any one of them is non-zero, then you will have no solution. As simple as that. Did you like it now? Are you clear with it? Hello Basit Hussain, welcome man. So people, let's try to solve one question. I'll solve this question and I'll leave the rest as homework. Okay, I will leave the rest as homework. So this will be the question which I will solve for you. Please try to follow it and try to get it right. Okay, I want maximum participation, guys. That would make me really happy. Please try to solve it. Okay, great. Homogeneous means ojas. The right side is 0. So you have D1, D2, D3 now. You have D1, D2, D3 now, ojas. So if they are all 0, it is called as homogeneous. It is called as a homogeneous system. And when you have a homogeneous system, ojas, there is always a solution. What is that? That is nothing but origin. That is called as a trivial solution. So whenever you have homogeneous system, there will always be a trivial solution which is 0, 0, 0. Got it? So I hope you are all clear. I will explain about it more if I have some time, ojas. Okay, don't worry. So what is the answer? Everybody. So it has no solution. No solution means what? No solution means first you have to do delta is equal to 0. What is delta? Delta is alpha 1, 1. Then you will have 1 alpha 1. Then you have 1, 1 alpha. Okay, so this is your delta. So can you guys open it? If you open it, what will you get? Any idea? Are you guys able to solve it? So what I can do is, I can do C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if I do that, I'll get what? Alpha plus 2, 1, 1. I'll get alpha plus 2, alpha 1. I'll get alpha plus 2, 1 alpha. Is that clear? So I did C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now what I can do is, I can try to take alpha plus 2 common. So if I take alpha plus 2 common, I'll be left with 1, 1, 1. I'll have 1, 1. And then I'll have alpha 1, 1 alpha. So you can just open it. If I open it, what will I get? 1 into alpha square minus 1. Minus 1 into, I'll get alpha minus 1. Plus 1 into, I'll get 1 minus alpha. So this into alpha plus 2 is my solution. So when you solve it, what do you get, my dear boys and girls? So when you solve it, what do you get? Any idea? Everybody think about it. So when I solve it, I'll get alpha plus 2 into, I can take alpha minus 1 common. So if I take alpha minus 1 common, I'll get alpha plus 1. That's it. So the answers are 1, minus 1 and 2. Is that correct? Is that correct or is it wrong? So if I take alpha minus 1 out, I'll get alpha plus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, so it should be minus 2. Is that clear, everybody? Is that what you guys got? Everybody, can you please let me know, guys? Can you please let me know, everybody? Everybody, please think about it and let me know. I want you to tell me if you're all okay with it. If you're all okay with it. Yes? So guys, which is the answer? Which is the answer? Any idea? Everybody says option C. But guys, the problem is in option C, if alpha is 1, if alpha equal to 1, all the equations will be x plus y plus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 0. So alpha equal to 1 is not possible. So answer is just minus 2. Did you like it? Because if alpha equal to 1, you put it back. That is why I told there are two conditions for no solution. There are two conditions for no solution. You checked only one condition, na? You just put delta equal to 0. So just by delta equal to 0, you can't simply tell whatever you get is the answer. No. You have to check the second condition, or you have to put it back inside and check what is happening. So when I put alpha equal to 1 over here, I get all of them to be the same equation. If all of them are same, they'll have infinitely many solutions. So that is why 1 cannot be the answer. So option D is the right answer. Did you like it? Fantastic. Fantastic. Did you all like it? Hello, Arya. Welcome, Arya. Adish, don't worry, man. Next year you will be able to do all these things very easily. Cool. So people, I think that we made some mistake in the calculation, I guess. Okay, because here they are getting 1 and minus 2 as the only roots. But anyway, I hope you guys got the concept. So people, please do check it out. I will leave this question to you as a homework. And before we conclude, I want to get some comments from you guys. Okay. So after you're done with these questions, leave it in the comment section. I want to see your answers. I want to know how much you have understood. Okay. So in case you guys enjoyed the session, and people, Aditya, yes Aditya, I will help you up to advanced level. But firstly, I will build the foundation and take you up to JEE Mains level. Only after that, I will go to advanced level. Okay. And people, in case you want to, improve your performance, you can check out the crash course. See, YouTube is great, of course. YouTube will definitely help you. But if you want to make it even more organized and systematic, if you want to, make it a very foolproof way of getting a good rank or good percentile, you can check out the crash course. We teach in an environment developed by us. Every day you get assignments. It will be evaluated the same day. And you have proven track record. We have got results from all over the country. So you see, we have 99.9 percentile. We have got 99.85. So Rishika is my student. So she was in my batch, in the toppers batch at Vedantu. We have Sai Raj, 99.96, Aryan, 99.97, Abbas, 99.86. So if you also want to do well in the JEE Mains exams which are coming up, then you can check out the crash course developed by Vedantu. Okay. So Ajay, VIT Data Science is also a good course. Data Science is an upcoming field. You can check it out, but you have to have an interest for it. You should be good at maths and computer. Maths and computer science, very important. So Sairam, this is just for 2 months. For the entire crash course, only 5,500. Maths, physics, chemistry, along with test series, everything put together, just 5,500. If you are serious, if you really want to push your score above 95 percentile, this can be a good help because we give Tattva material as assignments. Okay, fantastic. So make sure you guys check it and you can use it. You can use my code. I'll show you how to join as well. Okay, so if you enjoyed the session, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a like and don't forget to comment down what you felt. Please solve the assignments as well. I gave you 2 questions now. Please solve it. And people, if you want to join the crash course, I will teach you how to join it. Please listen carefully. All you need to do is just go below the YouTube video. So this is the YouTube video which I am teaching right now, Matrices and Determinants. Just go below the video and click on the link for crash course. You see here, get JEE crash course, click on that. Heshwita, trivial solution and non-trivial solution is for homogeneous system of linear equation. Okay, I have made a separate video on it. Heshwita, please check it out. Solution of system of linear equation, I made a separate video. Please check it out. You will understand it from there. Otherwise, message me in Instagram or Telegram. I'll help you. So this is the link for crash course. Just below the link of YouTube, you can go and click on it. And once you click on it, you can go and click on buy now. It will show 10,000, but like I told you, there is an offer going on. The original price was 10,000, but you see my coupon code will be automatically applied and now it is 5,500. So that is the price for Vedantu's crash course. Very, very much reduced because the exam is nearing. Okay. So it can be a last option for all those who are serious about this exam. So make use of it and do well. I wish you all the best. Okay. Cool. Great. So people, all the very best. I wish you success and I love you guys. I hope you all do well. I'll keep continuing to help you in YouTube for all the exams. Don't worry. Hari, yes Hari, whenever BITSAT exam is there, I will check it out myself and I will help you. I thought one guy told July 17, that's why I told about it. Okay, great. Yes, Harish, tomorrow there is a crash course starting, 28th June. So you can join it even now, Harish. Okay, great. So all the best. Take care. See you all in the next one. Bye-bye.